Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to Roblox private chat. Actually, this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to log into your Roblox account and then look for the specific game that you want to play. Click this green button here and wait as it is processing. Now, once you're here on your game, all you have to do is to look for this icon here. It's like a message, okay, message icon. And then you just have to simply mention the name of that person, okay, or it could be the person's username. For example, I want to talk or say something to Kazumo. So I have to mention his name here, Kazumo, and then I can say, hi, hello, how are you? Then, of course, Kazumo can read this one. Also, if I want to private chat with Lucas, then I can simply, mention his name here and then type something message or words that is just for Lucas. And that's how you chat a person or a username or a friend here on Roblox. You can't easily just send a message to the person while playing here. All you have to do is to mention that person or that username in order for you to message him or her directly. So that's how easy it is to chat someone on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.